Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can play Xbox on our school Chromebook. So for that you need to connect your controller, Xbox controller, to your Chromebook, and it can either be connected using the plug or you can connect it using Bluetooth. So for that you need to turn on your Bluetooth on your Chromebook and tap the button on your controller and let the light blink. And when the light on your controller is blinking, you will be able to see the option of connection on your Chromebook of your controller. Just click on it, connect it, and then open up this website of Xbox. It is called xbox.com, and here you have to just sign in. Then there will be a option of play over here on the top. Just click on it and then you will be able to play different games on the cloud itself using your controller. And that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.